That's me.
What's up guys? So in today's video I'm going to be doing another get ready with me because that's like my brand now. I'm in Mario's room currently. Bianca is currently organizing the closet, so if you hear like a little bit of noise, that's why. I need like topics to talk about. So today we're gonna do a purple look because I only brought 2 makeup palettes, so we're using the same makeup palettes I've already done a video on, but today we're gonna do purple because I've never done a purple look before. So basically today was a very productive day. I'm also gonna do my eyes first, which is like never a thing, but I'm just scared that this purple is not gonna turn out right and I don't want it to like go through my face, you know? But today we had like a very productive day today. Mario woke me up at 9 a.m. which is like unheard of for me. And he was moving. So we had to go meet the movers and they literally took forever. He has a very like, it was a very small room and there really was not that much items. I mean, there's a lot of items, but it just really was not that much. And it took them like 2.5 hours to move out of the apartment when there really was like nothing. It was like a dresser, a bed, some clothes, like wasn't really that much.
We're trying to get that money.
No, literally that's what it is. Like we were looking at the clock and we were like, why is it taking so long? Because they started at 10:47. They told us that, and they left around like 3 something. So that was kind of irritating. That was literally our whole entire day today. Then we basically came home and we went to Best Buy because we had to get some things. And we looked really ratchet, and so like we walked into Best Buy, like Mario had like a hoodie on with glasses and I was wearing like this little tracksuit with like glasses, and we go in there and this guy comes up to us, whatever, and he was like, oh, like can I help you with anything? We found what we needed. We needed SD cards. And then he was like, oh, like follow me this way. And now I'm sitting there thinking like, oh my god, he thinks that we're about to rob him. Because we had like hoodies on, sunglasses on, and he probably just thought we were gonna fucking rob the place. And then Mario was like, no, he probably just thinks that we're famous. And like, I love how I thought that they thought that we were gonna rob them, because that's just like an Arizona thing. Like I feel like people would just, if you walk into a store looking like that, like they're gonna automatically assume that you robbed them, because no one's popular in Arizona basically. Actually, there's like one girl. What's that one girl's name that's popular in Arizona? I just like, does this look bad? No. I kind of just look like a fucking crackhead. Excuse me, sir? Give me some topics to talk about, Mario. Throw some questions at me.
I think like me just being here will just make everything so much better for you. You know what I mean?
Oh god.
Oh god, literally, oh god.
No, oh god isn't like you'll have someone to talk to.
Okay, true. So what are we talking about?
Like, shut up.
I already told them about our day and the movers trying to charge you extra basically because they were taking forever.
But they did get everything done quickly and well, except they broke my sunglasses thing.
Okay, listen to this. So basically, they wrapped up everything in like saran wrap of Mario's things, and they unwrapped everything when they put it in. They unwrapped everything except for the sunglass rack. You wanna know why? Because they broke it. They didn't think we were gonna notice, but we noticed because it was tipped over on the ground.
Broken, laying there dead.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Yep, kind of how I feel inside. I should just start answering questions in these. So my next get ready with me, guys. Comment down some questions below. I think I say this in every single one because I never know what to talk about, and then I end up like coming up with things to say the whole entire time. I don't know what color to do on my lid, like probably that one, but I don't want to do shimmery. I kind of want to do like all bold. So sorry for the ratchet background, but I feel like in every single one of my videos the background's ratchet. Like this just looks like messy. Like I don't know, like I'm a blind Sunday school teacher like trying to do makeup. Homegirl, you know that I'm literally blending my eyeshadow right now. You think I'm looking at what somebody just texted me?
You can't look like that and call me homegirl.
Yo, you look ratchet, so bye.
I look ratchet?
I'm about to transform into the most beautiful butterfly ever, and you look like a worm.
No, bitch. Definitely still gonna be in the cocoon.
You look like you're in a cocoon right now. Okay guys, so basically we're going to be filming a lot of videos tonight. That's why I'm getting ready right now. It's actually 10:20 and I'm just now getting ready because we did all that stuff, whatever, and then we came home. I took a shower and then I kind of passed out, and then we were just literally sitting in Mario's room for like 3 hours debating like what the heck are we gonna do, because we want to film a bunch of different videos today. Like I'm technically supposed to film like 2 ASMR videos and then a cooking video.
You just look so pale.
Yeah, because I am so pale. So guys, I decided what I'm gonna talk about. I'm gonna talk about Halloween and what went down on Halloween. Halloween was like a wild night. Like Halloween kind of started early. There was basically like this huge Airbnb party, and like the list was like 400 people originally. Like this party was literally probably like supposed to go on until like 2. and the party ended literally around like 12 because there's this girl who's this other YouTuber and she's literally stupid. Like, she's so stupid, and what she did was she opened the window to like one of the doors. Like, there was basically, the pool was outside and she opened the window to see what everyone was doing because, like, you know, everyone was in the backyard. Like, there was so many people in the house. Like, there was just too many people. Like, we were all packed like sardines. The second she freaking opens that window, you hear because she set the freaking alarm off. So basically the alarm, she tried to close the door, like shut the window, acting like the alarm's gonna freaking go off. Like, no, you literally already turned the alarm off. Like, it's not just like somebody's just not gonna come, you know? So we had like probably honestly like a good 40 minutes until the Airbnb owner showed up. I kind of really feel bad for this man because it took him so long to get even like 100 people out. Like, it literally took him so freaking long to get the people actually out. But basically, so the Airbnb owner came and he's like, everybody out, and like there's still people like trying to come into the party. Like, it already reached the capacity because like they put wristbands on everyone to like get in, and like once they ran out of wristbands, like no one else was getting in because I guess like the agreement or whatever was like you can have a set amount of people. Once it gets past that, no one else can come in. And like, I showed up, like the party was supposed to start at 11. We probably showed up at like 10. Like, the party hadn't even started, and like there was already like probably like 80 to 100 people there, and like, bitch, it didn't even start. So basically the Airbnb owner came, then like I was watching people's Snapchat stories. Like, I left at like the perfect time. There was like helicopters and whatnot, which is like every freaking party this whole entire like Halloween weekend. Like, it was shut down by like helicopters and shit because there was just too many people. So basically that happened, and then we went home because we just didn't like, nobody heard of another address like right away. Like, no one heard of like another address. Like, a lot of people were like going home and then like waiting for the next move and whatnot. Waited on the next move. We go to this one party, and the second we get there, it's like shut down because somebody like punched somebody, and then like it caused them to get mad, and then like it shut down. Basically, long story short, like somebody's nose got broken, and like that's the reason why like it got shut down. So everyone from the party came outside, including this one guy, and we're gonna call him, what do I call him? So we're going to call this dude Mark. Like, I don't know if you guys are gonna find this story like as awkward as I did. Please, like, just try and put yourself in my position. You'll feel the awkwardness because I felt like really uncomfortable. I can use this towel as like a bib until I put the powder on my face. So basically, we're standing outside and I see Mark, and I'm kind of just like, please don't recognize me. Like, please don't say anything to me. Like, please walk the other direction. Like, so basically I see Mark and I'm thinking to myself like, bruh, just do not come up to me. Please do not come up to me. Please do not recognize who I am. Like, please, just like, please, I don't want to go through that right now. So we're sitting there, and guess what? Mark recognizes me, and Mark goes, "You're so gorgeous."
He said, do you know me? Because if you know me, then I know you.
And I was like,
you're like, yeah. You're like,
yeah.
No, he was like, what's your name? And you
What's
were like,
your name?
Madison. I was like,
Maddie.
Maddie.
Bianca goes, Maddie. Oh, like, you make mukbangs. And I just like laughed so hard because I was like, fuck. Like, all I kept thinking in my head was, oh my god, he's gonna know. Like, basically I tweeted at this motherfucker like over a year ago. I didn't tweet at him. I jokingly made a tweet. Not really jokingly, but like I jokingly made the tweet. But I jokingly tweeted, I'm a fuck Mark before I die. So basically this guy, whatever, pulls me aside because like he knows, like, I guess like what I film and whatever. As y'all know, I made an ASMR video. It has 3 million views, so it popped up on recommended. Like, I feel like a lot of people have seen that video, like, or they've seen my thumbnail, or they've like seen my name on their side. And so he knows that I made like an ASMR video and like it went viral or whatever. And he was like, oh, like, I have an idea. We should make an ASMR sex video. Nothing happened because honestly that's just like not the kind of person I am. Like, I do not hook up with random people, even though a year ago like that was my tweet. But yeah, I literally like went home, passed out. Literally, I was so dead after Halloween that I literally passed out. And like Bianca didn't sit here and vouch for me, right, Bianca?
Yeah.
I passed out because
Like, literally fell asleep.
like literally knocked out. Yeah, Bianca was texting me and she's like literally like, why are you not answering? But yeah, that was basically my experience with Mark.
We have to include the part where he did.
Okay, so now I'm gonna apply colors underneath. Hopefully this like looks good because I gotta make like 3 more videos because I'm a YouTuber now. But yeah, it was basically my Halloween. Like, I'm so glad so glad that Halloween's over. Now I'm gonna apply my lashes. I'm getting bullied in my own video and I don't really know how I feel about it. These are the lashes.
Oh, let's put the hangers inside the series.
I'm pretty sure I fell asleep in these lashes. So, like,
do you clear everything in here?
do you guys like ever sleep on your lashes and then like you just can't wear them anymore? Okay, these work. So we're gonna apply them. Which I never show me applying my lashes and like people get so bothered by it. But it's just very simple. I'm gonna tell you guys right now. I use the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive Glue. Everyone uses Duo. Do not get Duo. I just don't think it works as well. Like this one works so much better and this is like, I guess considered like an off-brand. I am actually like really bad at applying lashes. I don't really do it that close. So I basically just blow on it. Also, I'm really sorry if I'm looking up. I'm not used to this camera. I want to buy this camera, but I really don't want to pay my own money on it. So if you're watching my videos and like you're like a sugar daddy and you want to buy me this camera, then hit my line please. Business email in the description box down below. Now time for the other one. This eyelash always gives me difficulties. Ever see like in my pictures where like my eyelash just does not look like it's connected like it is?
Look at her eyelids. It's our build.
That's literally what it is, and everyone's like, you do not know how to apply lashes, and I'm like, sis, it's literally connected to my eye. That's just how my eyes look, because it always looks like I never put it close in my inner corner, but I put it so close that it makes me cry. The only reason why I just do not like LA is because I feel like I'm never productive here. Like, I don't know how I'm like gonna be filming like all these different videos with people. Like I just don't know how I'm gonna do it because I'm like very just unproductive here. Because Mario came up with this thing the other day, this theory that like when you live out of state, you make a lot of YouTube videos and like you make a lot of things, like you try and do all these things and become productive because you're trying to like get yourself to be able to go to LA. Once you get here, like for me, like I go on vacations, like I feel like I like work to be able to like going to LA, you know, because like it's really expensive here and like I just like my friends are really expensive and so we do like a lot of expensive things. We get a lot of expensive things. And so it's like I like work so hard in Arizona and like I'm like grinding and all this stuff and like I'm putting out all this stuff, but like when I'm here I'm just like, oh, I'm gonna kick back and relax, and like in reality like it kind of should be the other way around, but I'm doing pretty good. So my lashes are done. I'm gonna wait until they dry so we can squish them together. This honestly, this makeup look did not turn out as bad as I thought so. I mean, like honestly I'm blind and I just like really can't see in the viewfinder if it looked bad, but like in this mirror, like I did my makeup so out of order today. Like this is not like me. I've been doing like a new lip combo as of like a few days ago where I literally just take a lip liner and then this like glitter Kylie gloss, which like is almost out. I just like don't know, like did I not get that much product because I don't know how I use that much lip gloss. There's too much lip gloss on this side, so I'm gonna like lick it off. I like don't think this is as bad as I thought it was gonna turn out. Okay, so now I'm gonna like squash my little eyelashes together. I like don't know how people apply eyelashes like so nicely and like their natural lashes are blended so well. I think I just have stupid eyeballs and they just like don't ever like to work with me, because usually like this lash actually went on pretty freaking well. Usually it takes me like a multiple tries. That's why I hate doing my makeup. Like I actually dreaded doing this. I did not want to do my makeup, but I like I told Aaron that I was going to film with him, and so like I couldn't be like, you know, a bitch and like not film. So I decided to do my makeup. Now I'm gonna apply some de-slick spray. I really just don't even know if this works. I kind of just Urban Decay sent it to me, so we're gonna use it. I just don't care for the smell. I think the smell smells a little funky. But yeah guys, that's basically it for my get ready with me. I'm literally going to pin a comment. I don't know if I said this in my last get ready with me, but I'm literally going to pin a comment where you guys ask me questions. I want to do like an updated Q&A, and I don't know if I want to stick it in a mukbang or if I want to do it in like this, or just like give me topics that you guys would like me to speak about in my get ready with me, because I like making these, and these videos do the best on my channel. Like a lot of you guys really like these and you guys want me to keep posting them, so I think I'm gonna do it like weekly, like try and post like 2 videos and like do like 1 normal video and then like film another video, because like I like watching them. Like they're probably one of my favorite videos to watch and I like filming them. But yeah, that's basically it for this get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment down below some requests. I just don't know what to film. Like I really want to know if you guys like beauty videos, or if you guys like mukbangs, ASMR. Like I want to do everything because I don't want to be labeled as something. So yeah, give me some suggestions in the comments down below. Make sure you guys click that subscribe button if you guys are new to my channel. Also, do not forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat so you guys can see what I am doing when I'm not posting. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.
Been living this lavish, yes, I've been had it. I'm a real princess, these bitches is catfish.